Hello, this is Tim Fox. Today I'll be discussing Project 4, Implementing Group Policy. The grading criteria are as follows, 1 through 5, and I will be going over each of those in detail, one at a time. First I will be showing the policies, then I will be demonstrating some of the policies, and then finally I will be showing the group policy modeling wizard. The only forest I will be utilizing is the SAT 3511 Fox.com forest. Okay, first let's go to server LA1 to show the policies. First I have the password policy, and these are the settings I chose for the password policy. Next I have the lockout policy. Again, here are the settings. Next I have the folder redirection policy, and here are the settings. Next I have the no control panel policy for the Hancock container. You can see I've used loopback processing mode of replace. And then finally the help desk administrators policy. And here are the settings for that. My Active Directory structure is as follows. Here's the Hancock container, which contains the Fox Workstation 2 computer. And then I have the users, which I will be using Bob Jones as my demonstrator. And you can see he's just a regular user and he's part of Hancock users. That's it. For my help desk admin, I'll be using Joe Holmes. And as you can see, he's just a regular user. However, he's part of the help desk admins group. So I will be logging into Fox Workstation 2, which is in the Hancock computers. So Jones is logged in and no control panel. If I just try to work around, it says no. Then if I go to Fox Workstation 1, which is just part of the domain computers, oops, I'm going to log in as Jones. And let's see if he has administrative privileges. No, he doesn't. So that in fact works. He has documents here, which also show up here. So that demonstrates the folder redirection policy also. And just to show where they are stored at, it's on LA2, my second server. And these are all the users that I've been testing with. Even if I try to go into one, it's not going to let me. So that's pointless. Now if I go back to, where is it? Fox Workstation 1, I will log off as Bob Jones. And I will log in as Holmes. Holmes is just a domain user, however, Holmes has local administrative access as I demonstrated previously. So if I try to do something with that requires elevated permission, there we go. So that's just a simple test to see if there's administrative privileges with that user. Finally, I will be ending it with the group policy modeling wizard. Here are some of the models I've created. FoxT, who is a domain admin. So of course the domain admin is going to have lots of stuff, but I'm mainly concerned about the applied GPOs. And I'm not sure why it says denied, even though that's not true. As I've demonstrated here, it works. Now Holmes J, who was the help desk admin, same thing. The applied group policy objects. And then denied. I don't understand why the folder redirection says denied when I've clearly demonstrated that it works. And I will demonstrate that one more time. Oh, wrong user. Okay. Let's see. Holmes. Okay. So I will have Holmes log into this workstation and create a file. Okay, there's the file. Now I will just log off. And then I will log in this workstation. There's the file there on Fox Workstation 1, and I will go over to Fox Workstation 2 and log on again. And there's the file. So on two separate computers, it works. Okay, I have covered user account policy, demonstrating the password, policy and the lockout policy, the folder redirection policy, the control panel restriction policy for the Hancock containers, the local administrator policy for the help desk admins, and group policy modeling wizard. This concludes the lab. As far as what I thought of it, I thought it was a good lab. It demonstrated the different, policies and how their effect, which I've also demonstrated for an error for some reason that showed the folder redirection policy wasn't applied, even though I did a live demonstration and showed it was. Okay, thank you.